Happy Friday, chemists. Friday before break, exciting stuff. So as promised, we're just going to quickly go over how you're gathering background information, how you should have been gathering background information for your QPA. So as always, make sure that you are contacting me. Give me a call, a text, an email, whatever makes the most sense for you. And pause the video now to either get a piece of paper and a pencil or what you've been working on with your QPA already so that you can write down these tips for background information. So pause me now to do that. Okay, welcome back. By now you should have gotten a paper and a pencil, or you should have your QPA open so you can be taking down these notes. So as always, our objective, so working on the same objective and standard, so describing and analyzing gas laws phenomenons by doing research and writing background information on the topic. So our final QPA checklist for today. So what should I have done by now? Okay, so one, you should have chosen a topic for your QPA. So you should have chosen one of these topics right here. So that is related to the gas law. So that deals with some sort of gas equation that we need to be studying more. So if you have something that's not on this list, but you think that it relates to the gas laws, that's fine, as long as you're explaining that in your project. So you should have chosen a topic by now, and then you should begin writing. You should have, hopefully, be pretty close to being done with your finding your background information. So you should be finding articles that you want to use. So we need to make sure that these are reputable articles. So make sure that they're written by not just like a journalist or whoever. Make sure they're written by someone who has hopefully a PhD or a doctorate in the subject matter. And typically, if you're finding articles, let's make sure that they're on .org, .gov, meaning they're coming from some sort of government institution, or .edu, so they're coming from some sort of educational institution, so a college, university, because those are more reliable sources that we trust that are going to be accurate. So what should you include in your background information? So let's focus on these far left. So this is on your QPA at the bottom on the last page. So this row is what we're focusing on. So if you need this in written form, you can find it on your QPA. So you need to be focusing on the far left. So the more right we go, the more stuff that's missing. So this is an exemplar. So we need all of this for you to be successful. So in your background information, basically this is just consolidating what was on the previous page, like what you need to be including. So history of your topic. How has it changed over time? How has it evolved? Have rules or regulations changed? The more we find out, how does that influence what's changing in modern times? So what is your topic used for, and why is it so important? So that's what we need to be focusing on right now. So doing research, finding reputable articles. So you can just do quick searches. You can go to Google Scholar, research. Just make sure we're finding good articles. So focus on the .gov and .edu articles. So our next few classes, I apologize. We already did this. So here's today. So we can cross this off. So what do I need for background information? So we'll cross that off. So we did that for today. So go back through these slides. If you need, I'll post them on Google Classroom as well. So what resources are available to create my presentation? So we're gonna do on the Monday we got back after spring break. So spring break is next week. So you guys enjoy yourself, get some work done, do what you gotta do. You guys deserve a break. And then Wednesday we'll talk about how do we thoroughly connect our topic to chemistry. And then Friday is how do I cite my sources. So, as always, ending with my contact information. So make sure that you guys are texting, emailing me. Make sure you're turning in your mini QPAs and QPAs. Happy Friday, you guys. Have a good